Did somebody call me? I'm gonna check out some of the other apps, alright? This is my home, not the Hurt Locker! I'm gonna be sick. I don't get it. Think of your karma! I'm getting post-traumatic stress disorder! Whoa, what's going on? Mind if I catch a nap here? Yow! Stop, please! Getting post-traumatic stress disorder! Help me! Oh, smash me! No! Ooh, I almost like that. Boring. I'm gonna go play a couple of your other iPhone games if that's okay. I live in a box. It's gonna be me all over! What about karma? Help me! Stop, please! I'm getting post-traumatic stress disorder! Think of your karma! I'll never sleep again! Think of your karma! I'm getting post-traumatic stress disorder! Oh, the pain! The pain! Box. I don't like it. Enough! No! No! Stop, please! I'll never sleep again. Think of your karma! Whoa. I don't like it. Whoa. I can't take it. Enough. please, stop, no, please! Help me! Hold the phone steady. I'm gonna take a bit of a nap. Mind if I catch a nap here? Oh, the pain! The pain! Hey, stop! Ow! Help me! I don't like it! Whoa, 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 whoa! I don't like it! I'm gonna be sick! Whoa, whoa, whoa. I live in a box. I'm gonna be sick. Whoa, 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 whoa! Everybody stop! No, 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 no! What's going on? Stop, please! Think of your karma! No! I'm getting post-traumatic stress disorder! Again. Mind if I catch a nap here?